Hi, I am Dr. Mobasher, SWL member of PARS, and currently I am a pharmacist. And today I would like to tell you about how to install your dish to receive EshailSat QO100, the mechanical portion of this installation. The later will be published while it will be installed at the QTH of Alpha Papa to Alpha Uniform Mike. Please follow the instructions. This is the parabolic dish, and it is facing towards west right now, and the kind of elevation and azimuthal controls are very raw and easy to be established. This is a wing nut which is used to elevate the dish, set the elevation, and this wing nut is used to rotate it to set the azimuth. And the azimuthal calibration or graticule or calibration is roughly made by using a protractor 360 degrees, and this small wire is showing rough location of this 26-degree satellite, 25 point something degree satellite, and this is what you actually want to install before we install the whole RX unit. Thanks for following.